Brooklyn. This song goes out to Jones Street, the only gang that don't need. Okay, boppers, it's got to start somewhere. The end of one thing usually means the beginning of another. This is how Cleon formed the Warriors.
This destroyer gig is getting real old.
Yeah, and I think Virgil's starting to come unglued, man.
Hey, Virgil wants to see you, now.
What for, Lemmy?
I'm sure he'll let you know.
Cleon, I want you guys down at Tax Warehouse tonight. St. Mothers are coming down at midnight to make a buy.
What am I, your errand boy now?
You're my right-hand man, Cleon. I trust you. Anyway, I got something to deal with. I'll meet you at Tax at midnight.
Where's the stuff?
Relax, LC's got it. You'll need to grab it on your way.
All right, man. Let's get our asses over to LC's place and get this shit.
You know, we should be getting too cocky.
What's shaking, Cleon?
If we have a party soon, guys, don't be going overboard. I like partying and rocking, don't get me wrong. I just don't want to be carrying your asses home later tonight.
Cleon, that jam last week? That was killer.
Yo, Cleon,
You see any nice women around, man? I gotta get me some nice clam, you know what I'm saying? I'm itching for that shit.
Yo, what's up, Cleon?
Hey, Cleon!
Don't start too much shit
See you
tonight.
at the party this weekend.
Man, Virgil is treating you like a jerk, Cleon. Ain't you guys supposed to be like partners?
Let's just hurry up and get this shit over with. LC, it's Cleon, man. Let me grab that shit.
You kidding, man? There's cops all over my ass, man. Unless these pigs get out of here, we ain't gonna do this deal tonight.
We gotta get rid of these cops to make this pickup. If we cause enough shit around this neighborhood, they'll have to shut down their stakeout.
Just have to tear you in the hole, pussy. You on the ball.
This will make those pigs squeal.
Stop messing around.
Take them apart.
NYPD, freeze. Hey, you! NYPD! You're under arrest!
Something sounds fishy over here. That better not be rats. I hate rats. You think they'd issue flashlights? No. Just more goddamn cutbacks, leaving me in the bloody dark. I guess it was rats. These are not bums. The city is being overrun by bums and rats, and I hate it.
Dios, alguien, ayuda! Somebody get the police! Hey, yo, police! Man, you gotta get down here real quick!
Yo, hold up! Split up, soldiers!
So you're causing all the fuss around here, huh? It ends now, you hear me? I'm telling you, Pert, may need some more boys down here. Backup's on the way. You think it's funny messing with the law? You're coming with me. I'm taking you in. There, hold it right there. Get back here, punk! Looks like you want to go to jail! Stop! Police! I'm tailing the perp. He ain't slipping away from me. Those lousy hoods escaped. You, freeze! You, freeze! Stop running away! NYPD unit, officer in pursuit of suspect may require backup. I'm tailing the perp. He ain't slipping away from me. I heard something. You're under arrest!
Not a fucking whip. What a joke.
Trash everything! Let's move it! Take them apart!
I've been waiting to let loose. Get back here! Finish what you started! I can show you it. That's what I got.
Don't move that bag!
What a joke. So you want to do that?
NYPD unit, officer in pursuit of suspect may require backup.
Damn it! You're starting to piss me off, sucker!
Let's move it!
You like being tossed around?
You can't run forever, punk! Better pick up the pace, come on, man!
NYPD unit, I'm on the first trail. He ain't getting this slip on me. Son of a bitch!
Here, I'll fill you in again!
Got you now, punk! Freeze!
Fuck, man. I know you like this, punk! Hell yeah!
Interesting. I'm coming over. If someone's out there, show yourself. Great. Something else going wrong tonight.
Fuck, man. They can't hear me. Fuck, man. They can't hear me. Fuck, man. They can't hear me. Fuck, man. They can't hear me.
Take him apart!
Unit 160.
LC should be clear. Let's move.
Just another fucking... What a joke! So you want to do this the hard way, huh? Let's go! What are you running for? Get back! You know, right? I'm gonna show you pain! Let's move it!
Harrison Garrison, please respond, over.
Garrison here, dispatch. What can I do you for, over?
Harrison Garrison, we need you back at the precinct ASAP. We got 1064s coming out the ass. Send your boys back, call off the stakeout, over.
Roger that, dispatch. Over. Hey, what's a 1064?
Still wearing your water wings, huh, Junior? I ought to send your ass back to the academy. This is Mama Bear calling Baby Bear. The porridge has gone cold. Papa Bear wants us back at the lodge ASAP. Someone's shit in the bed again.
Yo! LC, open up. It's Cleon.
Hey, man. Here you go.
Ain't you coming?
No, man. Not me.
Man, he's gotta lay off that shit.
Let's get over the tax. Fuck! It's midnight. Where the hell is Virgil?
Ah, this sucks. Hey, at least we got the stuff, right? We can do the deal ourselves.
Let me see the bag.
Check it out. The Satan's Mothers.
Where's Virgil?
He ain't here. I'm doing this.
I don't like last-minute changes. Give me that bag.
You got the money?
What the fuck? You trying to burn us? No one pulls this shit on the mothers.
Hey, man, we were just supposed to bring the shit.
Get those fucking snakes!
Into the warehouse! Let's go!
Go get those...
No wonder Virgil didn't show. It was a setup.
Worry about Virgil later. Let's find a way out of this shit. These mothers got a heavy set, so stay out of sight.
You think you're gonna get a jump on me, man? I see what's going on, man. I see. Where'd that come from? Don't tell me you're scared of a couple of... I know that... must have I thought you was heavy. I thought you had a rat. Get out of here. This dude's got balls. I'm calling you out, sucker. You think you're tough, so prove it. What the fuck? You can't quit, man! I don't give two shits about you! You can't... Man, there ain't nowhere to hide! I tell you fucking it! Look at him shitting them pants! I'm gonna slam your ass down, boy! Come on, I'm tired and hungry. Leave a guy alone. I'm calling you out, fight. You think you're tough, so bet you shit in your pants right now. You ain't so tough. Who's this tough guy? Let's smash him. I'm gonna run you down and make you bleed. I see what's going on, man. I see that. I'm gonna rack you so bad, man. Your own mama's not gonna recognize the mess I make. Take this. Watch this. I'm calling you out. You think you're tough, so prove it. Why you running? He's shaking in his shoes! Yeah, what a joke! You think you're gonna get a jump on me, man? I see what's going on, I don't... Huh? Whoa! You just smoked that dude! Alright! Let's move it! Got it!
Come on!
Let's go,
Come
let's
on!
Where to?
Down there! Jump! Let's go!
That was bullshit, man! Why the fuck were we shut up?
Look, we ain't out of this yet.
End of the line, you little faggot!
Yeah! End of the line!
Look, the little fairy one! Yeah! Listen to Spider! Needles!
fuck was that bullshit? What a joke! I know you're scared, so I'll be quick. Fuckhead! Fuck off the ground, crybaby.
Had enough of this shit. Let's go talk to Virgil. Fuck out my way. Virgil, you son of a bitch, get your ass down here.
Hey, Cleon. How'd the deal go?
You backstabbing punk!
Hey! You guys know better than rip off them Satan mothers.
We was brothers, man. We were supposed to make things happen.
You don't think I see you, Cleon? You don't think I know you trying to make moves behind my back? Trying to muscle me out of the way?
You paranoid fuck! You just started a war, and I'm gonna be the last motherfucker you see before it's over.
You crazy, man. You and what fucking army?
You gonna see, brother. You gonna see.